Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm still in my vacation at the moment and all these videos have been like pre-scheduled before I left, so it's just a bunch of like easy sketchbook paintings. Until I'm back, then I'll work on the larger canvases again. So today's painting is a super easy and what I hope is a dreamy, simple bouquet landscape. So when painting dreamy landscapes, I think colors are very important, and these are my favorite go-to sunset dreamy colors. So from the top, I'm going to start with Naples yellow and I'm going to mix with a little bit of white to get that pastel shade, and then I'm going to transition to pink followed by purple pale, and then when I go lower it's going to be a bit darker. I'm going to mix purple pale with just a little bit of Prussian blue, and at the bottom here will be the darkest. I'm going to mix Prussian blue with dioxazine violet. And then we're going to continue blending it until it becomes one smooth gradient. Oh, I forgot to mention that for the top half, for Naples yellow, pink and purple pale, we're going to mix them all with titanium white to get that nice pastel shade. So now at the bottom half, where it's the darkest, we're going to use Prussian blue, and we're going to draw these kind of like ambiguous looking shapes of trees, and then we're going to draw just a building on the right, and then the layer on top of it, we're going to use a lighter shade of blue, which is cobalt blue, and we're going to draw like a little slope to create like layers of mountains. And then we're going to paint the bottom half in one solid color of Prussian blue, and then the layer on top of that, we're going to paint it in one solid color of cobalt blue. And for this little building on the bottom right of the canvas, we're going to paint it in purple mixed with a bit of pink, a lighter shade basically, so that it's a bit more visible against the dark backdrop. So for the second layer of these mountains, I'm going to draw like a little thing in the middle. So basically what I want to do is create something that create a landscape that resembles like a little village or a town by the mountain. So you have this like the odd buildings here and there, or some things that stand out architecturally. And the next part we're going to do is we're going to blur the whole landscape. So for the first layer, we're going to mix cobalt blue with a little bit of purple pale, and then we're going to paint the outline of the second layer of the mountains until it becomes one gradient and the lines are soft, where you can't see like the sharp lines of the layers of the mountains. And then we're going to continue the second layer. We're going to mix cobalt blue mixed with Prussian blue, and we're going to blend along the lines of it until it becomes one smooth gradient. And don't forget the building as well. So this will help to soften the sharp lines and kind of like mute the landscape a little bit. And this is when we're going to add the bouquet lights. So what I want to do is I want to add like a string of white lights and a string of orange lights for the top layer of these mountains. And then at the bottom, we're going to add more orange lights to kind of like in a more random shape, because it's going to be like a little town or a little village. And then the next step we're going to do is we're going to blur these bouquet lights. So it's pretty much the same thing as when we soften the lines of the mountains. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to blend the circle by mixing the background color and the color of the bouquet. For example, this orange one here that we're doing, so the background is like purplish pink, and then we're going to blend around the circle, mix it with a little bit of orange until you can see it's a little bit more muted looking right now, that it sort of looks like a background bouquet. So if the bouquet circles are white, we're going to mix this part here is cobalt blue is the background color. We're going to mix cobalt blue with white, and we're going to paint around the circle so that the bouquet circle doesn't look as sharp. Once we come down to the bottom over here, so I've decided I want to add a little bit of orange red to kind of like give it a little bit more variety to these bouquet lights. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're also going to mute it by blending the circle. So now you can see just like a little bit of orange peeking from these bouquet circles. Once you've blurred them all, we're going to paint the second layer of bouquets, but this time they will be solid. which means that we're not going to blend them, and we're just going to paint, like scatter a few across the ones that we have muted earlier. And you will see right now that the bokeh circles that we painted on the second layer, the colors pop out so much more because it stands out against the muted bokehs in the background. So for the bottom half, I want to add a little bit more bokeh circles to sort of brighten this landscape, which is supposed to be like a little village at the bottom. And it is finished. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.
Like